Alright, we outside. It's a Friday. We could have went ice skating, could have went to a bonfire, could have just made some burgers. But here we are on the bikes because it's a Friday night. Oh, I didn't stretch. Oh man, you ever just get on the bike and you know you're rusty? Oh, yo.
That's tough. That's fire.
That's fire? You positive? I tried to shift lock and I f***ed it up. My gosh! As crazy as I am, you have to be like as equally as crazy as me to even ride with me, because I do some outlandish shit. You gotta have some level of balls to be okay with it.
Who's supposed to come today? It didn't come yet.
Oh, this guy?
Yeah, but I got a see-through one and it's blue.
Interesting. Blue cap and then see-through? Nice.
Nice.
Hokey Fest. Gee Fest. They made a whole song? Yo, I'm trying to go to a hoedown, but I need square toes.
What is a hoedown?
I'm pretty sure that's what they call it. The country joint, where they be stepping, bro. You know what I'm talking about? You know what I mean? So
throw that. That's crazy. You got a lot of beeping to do.
Bleep it. Throw that out, bro.
This segment is brought to you by using High Pocket Clothing.
Is this 200? Because I got a cap at like 500. You know what I mean? Like, hey, yo, why are you so good at that? Me and Cornell were talking about a reboot today. But like, I was like, nah, bro. I don't think I need the reboot right now. Me and Cornell just sat here for probably closer to like maybe an hour. Unknowingly, just kind of got into a very deep conversation talking about certain things. That is literally one of my favorite things to do. It's awesome when you're present, you know what I mean? And time just flies by, but you're like so involved in something that it has complete 100% of your attention. And that's why I like gravitate to bikes, because I'm present when I'm on bikes. I don't think about my problems. I don't think about anything. I really don't think about it. I'm very present on bikes, and that's why it's my peace. But that's also why it's like my escape. So finding activities that makes you present, do them as much as possible. You know, people that you hang out with, everyone's different, so be aware of this, you know what I mean? Like, let's fucking ride. Oh yeah, it's one of them Fridays, baby. It is the peak of summer. A big part of me will... I was gonna say a big part of me wants to not go that way. And that is how you avoid that. Hey bro, what the light doing, bro? Yeah, he's mentally following the route. All right. Last time we came through here, there was cops, so I'm gonna chill. Knowing me, I'll do a wheelie in like 20 seconds. Yeah! I get happy when I remember things. Hold on, what song is this? That shit got that, yeah, that hip bounce, you know what I mean? Yeah. Got that oons, oons, oons. That's awesome! Let's go, baby. When I first learned, I'd have to get on the bike and like mentally prepare myself. I'm like, all right, I'm gonna go back there. And now I just kind of like throw it back and I just wait to hear the noise. All my hard work is starting to pay off. That's a nice house. That little road right there. I'm glad you ride your own ride. Damn! Dude, I don't even want to talk. I am vibing! I got scared. I don't like when cars are like waiting. I don't like intersections and wheeling through them. Because if you're doing a wheelie and that car commits, oh dude. It's a done deal, my boy! It's not looking good! What a sexy bike. What the f... I'm turning it, baby! Long or short?
Long. Is that what you have?
Follow me another way! Hey bro, I think it's this way. I don't know if I'm being honest. I may have went the wrong way.
Fuck it.
This is what adventures are for. Oh shit! This way, this way, this way! You said left? That just takes us on the Penn's Landing. Left just takes us on the bridge back where we came from. We gotta go straight and then down.
Oh, and then left.
Yeah. You been around yonder?
Yeah.
It's a wee bit bumpy, mate. Excuse me. Oh, just scraped in front of a cop. That's a big ass boat, but like scrape to a one hand to a knee knocker. I'm a man of my word. I am a man of my word, baby. In a world full of lies and deceit, baby. That's all you got is your word, baby. What knee knocker?
Are they hard?
Yes and no. Easier to find balance point and like rear brake control, because that's how I found how far back I can go, because I could pull the bike up to me, and then if I felt like I was too far back, I could lean forward to make it come back down. Wow.
What do you want? The 30-piece, John?
No. I'm chilling.
You're not hungry?
Nah.
Really?
Yeah, surprisingly. Typically I am, but
That's what I'm saying. You alright? You sick? Small guy?
bro, I don't know what they talking about, but
Yeah. And this grip?
we vibing. It's Friday night. Damn! I can't believe he has the sparks. I'm so excited to see that. Oh, I didn't even use a gallon. We're with Spur and Olay. Ooh, little sparky sparks. Oh, this is awesome. Why's he got a little rat guy there? Oh, that sounds so good. You want to race? Let's go! Oh! That's so cool! Hey guys, I'm just letting the riding speak, baby. We let these bikes speak. We let the passion speak, you know what I mean? Oh my gosh! Holy shit, I went down deep! No homo, but like, yo! Just went back and then like, whoa. What's that? Did this like fall?
up?
What up, what up, what up?
How you?
I'm good, how are you?
Good, good, good.
What's up, my man?
What's poppin', what's
I
poppin'?
did see that, man.
What's going on? Cam.
All right, nice to meet you.
Jerome Smith.
Come on, brother. What's up, fam? You know this.
Keith Williamson.
Nice to meet you.
That's so cool. They're all on mini scooters, bro. That's so cool. That doesn't make sense. Dude, I'm telling you, it has to be valve stem. Unless I literally cracked my rim. I can see that I did hit. I don't know, man. Oh, that's mad heavy. If I can get air in it.
Yo, that's what I gotta do.
What?
That right there, that light. That's what I I don't have a light. I gotta do that.
That is unfortunate.
Don't wheelie. You're gonna crack that shit on the way down.
Yeah.
I don't think he was gonna wheel.
Who knows? I would've.
I probably was.
I'm not gonna lie. I would.
Fuck is wrong with you?
I was definitely gonna wheelie it. Like, makes complete sense. How did I pop? Like, what? Hey, everything happens for a reason. Anyone have quarters? Bro, what am I doing?
Wait, hit it with the backpack.
What do you mean the back?
That's part. That part.
Huh? They're taxing on over there. This one says $1.
All right.
One fucking quarter.
Does anyone have a quarter? That's me.
Yo, what if you put a string on it?
Bro! Everyone thinks he's a beggar. Oh, let's go! Oh, you got one? Thank you! There's good people out here.
You put it on the curb.
I hear it. I totally hear it. But where?
Hey, bro. Hey, bro. What the fuck?
Hey, why are you pointing at us?
Not at the car.
Not at the car! Not at the gas station!
Let it go.